Hi guys, I hope that you've been enjoying part of this vlog of just different spots that we've gone around in St. Augustine this morning. We just decided to make a day trip out of it and explore some of the town, the lighthouse, have breakfast. We were going to eat at a lunch spot and some of our friends gave us some recommendations, but we last minute decided to just go have breakfast somewhere, so we looked at some places. Ended up eating at the Harbor Cafe, and it was really good, and we really enjoyed it. My only thing was I wish that the cafe was a little bit bigger. It was just a really tight squeeze, but other than that, it was great. And then if you ever do go there, just be in mind that it's going to be a hearty breakfast is what you're going to be getting. That was pretty much all of the options that they had, but it was really good food, really good. So we do recommend that place. And now we are just hanging out at the beach for a few hours. This is actually a dog beach as well, so we've seen a lot of puppers, which is nice because we definitely miss ours. But yeah, we just plan to stay here for a few hours and then head back home. But I just thought it would be fun for a vlog for you guys to just see something new, especially if you've never visited St. Augustine. We didn't really do like a lot of shopping in and out of the stores in St. Augustine, and we have done that before, and maybe we'll do it in the future in our vlog. But if you haven't ever seen it, it's very pretty, very historic. So I just thought I'd show you guys some clips of that. But for now, we're just going to be sitting here hanging out at the beach. So yeah. We decided to lay inside of our tent cubicle thingy for a little bit. So far, it's been an amazing day. We've literally just been chilling, and I am loving every second of it. But here's like what our tent somewhat looks like. Just like a very novice way of showing you without physically getting up, but yeah. We're just hanging out, and it is incredible. we're probably going to be packing up pretty soon and headed home because of those clouds over there. And we checked the forecast at home, the radar, and it's storming there right now. And the thought of our babies being at home by themselves while it storms just doesn't really sit right with us. So I think Dylan's rinsing off now, and I think we're gonna pack up and head back home and go be with the babies because it's gonna be raining from now for the next couple of hours. So we just want to be at home with them. But it's been a really fun day and just very relaxing, which again, you guys know Tuesdays are our days together, like our main day. So both of us always look forward to Tuesdays to doing something, which it's typically the beach. But now that school's back in session, we will probably be going to Universal within the next couple weeks, which is really exciting. But let's roll out. It's getting nasty out here, folks. Love you, beach. See you soon. Let's roll out. We left just in time, you guys.